Okay, there is no fluid in my system at all, and it takes, if I grab this with the top of my pinky, I am incapable of pulling the pedal up. Okay, now I grab right here at the other side of my pinky, and right here on my pinky I can pull it up. Right there I can't. That's just a sign of how much force it takes. I think that is at least probably 10 pounds of pressure that it takes to pull that up. Now I'm gonna go lay down upside down in here. All right, climbing in, feet up around the headrest, head down. All right, now there is right here a push rod, right, that goes up to the dash. Now I can see right there the head of the spring. I can't see the whole spring because the vent is in the way. Let's see if I can take this off. All right, there. Stuff falling out of the vent. I'm gonna try to get it out of my face. So that's a big spring. And that, something maybe I need to adjust on mine, because I'm not getting a real fast return. And that's pushing the spring, pushing the pedal down. So I have, I guess, the opposite issue where it's not hard for me to press the pedal, and that can definitely get moved down a good bit on mine. Interesting. That's a way you can adjust how much pressure it takes to squeeze your clutch.